Hey, I'm here to share with you some common misconceptions that students make when they are writing, and also I'm going to share with you some little ideas that you can use with your classes if you wish. Let's have a look. First of all, using the present tense is instead of including past and future, not giving opinions in answers, giving opinions without reasons, that's a common one, repeating basic vocabulary like muy or me gusta, making mistakes with common verb forms, like for example, I can think of voy a juego instead of voy a jugar. Translating directly from English causing incorrect structures, not answering all bullet points in the question, writing too little and not developing ideas, forgetting accents, and not checking the work. I always tell them to proofread at the end of the writing exam, and guess what? They never do it. Some of them do it, but not all of them. So this is a big battle that we all have with students. Now I'm going to share with you some ideas of classroom activities. First of all, this one for the 80 to 90 word task. So you give the students a little paragraph and they need to match it to the right bullet point. So in this case, a perfect friend, desde mi punto de vista, un buen amigo debería ser simpático y hacerte reír, etc., etc. Very useful and low prep, and probably you can create the text with AI very quickly. Another one is identifying verb mistakes. For example, in this case, you give them a past tense paragraph, present tense or future. You could just concentrate on one, and they need to identify the verb mistakes. Very useful to check that they know their present, past, and future. And finally, I like this one on boring word ban. It's very simple, it takes no prep, and it's about making sure that students are not using the same words all the time. So instead of using bueno, interesante, and muy, you say these words are forbidden, and they have to use other more interesting things like fantástico, impresionante, and bastante. Hope you find it useful. Let me know what you think in the comments. Gracias!